Good day, Dr. Damiji. My name is Ong Eileen. This video is from Group 5 for our end project presentation. Our group members are Nai Shijie, Ku Rongquan, Chua Xiong Wei, and myself, Ong Eileen. For this project, we have chosen to review Paper A, Title, Design, and Implementation of E-commerce Website using Automata Theory. Let's start from abstract. The e-commerce industry is growing fast, and that brings a need for safer and more efficient websites. This paper designed a system using automata theory like FSM and PDA to make the logic clearer and easier to test. The model step as status and transitions. Features include user authentication, browsing recommendations, orders, payment, and optimized delivery routes. Overall, it made backend work simpler and improved user experience. Let's go to introduction. In recent years, online shopping has become more popular because it's convenient and easy to use. The COVID-19 pandemic also made more people switch to online shopping. Because of this, web applications today need to be fast, reliable, and user-friendly. The paper focused on designing an e-commerce website using automata theory like finite state machines and push-down automata to show how the system works step by step. This helps developers reduce errors and make the system more organized. The website includes features such as user authentication, product search recommendations, secure payment, and delivery tracking.
Hi doctor, my name is Kurong Chen. I'll be presenting this problem statement on the scope of this paper. So the scope here is to create a design of the robust backend structure for an e-commerce website that is capable of handling various user interactions smoothly and securely. So by using the automata theory from this paper, it aims to simplify the backend logic by clearly defining system states and transition, and to enhance the security and correctness of user authentication and session management. And the next is to improve the efficiency of product search and recommendation system using the finite automata. And lastly is to optimize the delivery processes through graph-based route planning and the state modeling. So regarding the literature review for this paper, the first is the finite state machine as a designing tool for web-based transactional system. So this paper is proposed using the FSM to design web-based system. It aims to provide clear and precise modeling of user interaction. We have a better error handling than the DFD. So it's also support easier debugging. And the limitation here is a bit hard to handle the concurrency scenario. The next paper is the automaton-based comparison of declare process models, which use automata to model the business workflow with the declare. It transforms workflow into DFA for easier comparison, which allow precise behavior checking and compliance. The limitation here is it only focuses on the control flow but not the data flow. So that's all from my side.
Hi, Doctor. I'm Nash. Okay, the discussion for our project is the paper we chosen is applying automata theory, which are push-down automata and finite automata and finite state machine. They use it to apply on back end of an e-commerce system. They are using in different module of system. First, PDA is used in logic and registration, which is step-based, memory-based. Then the second one, DFA is used for search machine for pattern matching. Last one, FSM is for delivery flow to determine the optimal delivery path. These are the formal definition for PDA and DFA. PDA have 7 tuple where consists of finite set of state, input state, transition function, and a start state, initial state symbol, and a set of accepting states. Then DFA is 5 tuple. 5 tuple is a finite set of states and input alphabet, transition function, start state, and a set of accepting states. This is the PDA of logging and registration process, our step diagram and transition table. This is one of the transition. If the input is used a new username and the step hop symbol is Z, and the transition will happen from Q1 to Q4. Then the user will be triggered to register a new account. The data will push onto the step, save into the database. Here is the FA and FSM of the whole data flow of the e-commerce system. It consists of 3 functions of the system. The searching function transit from Q0 to Q1, then the purchasing transit from Q1 to Q5. Lastly, the payment process transits from Q5 to Q13. Beside that, the autos also having some five test cases. This is a summary and insight from the result. There are three test cases on PDA for login and registration. Then the expected outcome is the the observed result is same as the expected outcome. For the rest of the test cases is for FA and FSM, in which are product search by keyword, add product to cart and purchase, track order, and return or cancel our item. Yeah, in conclusion, the automata ensure a predictable, testable, and scalable flow. Inside the paper, we also found that the auto using JF LAP as a tool to validate the correctness of each module. So it's a useful tool for the validation. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chua Xiong Wei. So I will present the improvement suggestion for this paper. So the improvement suggestion is to ensure it appeals for both the researchers and people working in the e-commerce, right? So there are total three improvements suggested. So the first one will be the performance and testing. Uh, it will test the system reliability under high traffic. The second will be measure the response times and then presenting this result right in the simple charts. So the second one will be the address the real world challenges to handle the edges cases. So it discuss the issue with database or payment system compatibility, then adding the example of for real world issue solving, making the paper more practical. The last one will be the include the real test, right, to provide the that is workable in daily life. So it come out and experiment and let the actual people use the site and share their feedback. So next I will go to the another application example. So it will be the intelligent customer support chatbot system for service-based platforms such as online banking. It using the push-down automata, the chatbot can be designed to manage and remember the flow of conversation. The step memory allow it to handle the nested requested or backtracking smoothly. For example, when the user enter the wrong PIN during identity verification, the automata can redirect to an error handling state and prompt re-entry. The structure use of automata ensure that the chatbot behave in a predictable, secure, and user-friendly manner. So by applying the automata-based logic to customer service, right, developer not only improve the chatbot reliability and consistency, but also create a scalable foundation for future expansion. This is from me. Thank you.
So in conclusion, this study proposed a structured backend design for e-commerce platform using automata theory, specifically FSM and PDA. FSM improves user flow like navigation and search, while PDA ensures secure authentication. Automata also support better delivery and recommendations. Overall, this approach reduces bugs, clarifies logic, and boosts scalability, leading to a more reliable and user-friendly system. That's all from our group. Thank you.